in there in the lead. Dan Hurley, Australia. It looks like Parks is going to get there in that fourth spot. The Frenchman leading it out though. USA going through in 5. That's going to be Eric 2. USA in 3. Go in and out of the turn. Looks like Brazil. Second turn takes the lead away. That's going to be and the USA in 4. Look at the swap and the change as they come out of that through world number 2 plate.
To Shepherd, Calicott, the Pink Panthers in the house. Here we go. Sassota, the Brazilian. To get it wrapped up. Sato back to the Strakona. Kopetsky from Blaren. Oh, the Brazilian making a move. But the French rider takes it down to 3 straight. Put it up on the way back, down to Englishman. And then Robinson doing it wrong.
Let's go, Justin!
Modes on number 200, we are absolutely same with Eric Dyer in there as well. He's on that thing with the steal it in the line. Who's going to get the win on the 2s, they're driving down the 3 straightaways. Oh, USA making a big move right now. Mark Nunley will come on back. Harris is right there.